Samsung 57-inch Odyssey Neo G9 review. I replaced triple monitors. Here's the reality.
Remember when you'd sit down to game or work and immediately feel boxed in? Bezels cutting your view in half, neck aching from swiveling between screens, cables everywhere? I was there last year. Triple 27 inches setup. Still felt cramped and chaotic every single day. Sound like your setup right now? Drop a comment if it does. I tried everything before this. Went to a 49-inch ultrawide, better but still not enough peripheral vision. Added another monitor, now I'm managing bezels and color mismatches again. My desk looked like a Best Buy exploded. I knew there had to be a single display that just ends the chaos without forcing me into VR or burning my weekends calibrating 3 panels forever.
Then the Samsung 57 inches Odyssey Neo G9 showed up. First boot up, I fired up iRacing and just started laughing like an idiot. The 1000R curve completely wraps around you. The dual 4000 resolution is razor sharp edge to edge, and the Quantum Mini LED with 2392 dimming zones makes HDR actually look like real life. No washed out skies or crushed shadows. I went from fighting bezels to seeing the entire apex and the car beside me without moving my head. For work, it's even more ridiculous. I run Premiere Timeline full width, Discord, browser, everything. No overlap, no alt-tabbing. The 240 Hz at full resolution with DisplayPort 2.1 is stupidly smooth, and the 1 millisecond response time means zero ghosting even in shooters. Honestly, the first week, I kept finding excuses to sit at my desk because everything just felt right.
Look, it's not just me being dramatic. Every major reviewer, Rtings, Hardware Unboxed, display calibrators, even pro sim racers are all saying the same thing. This is currently the most immersive single panel on the planet. Thousands of owners in forums and Reddit have ditched triple monitor rigs and never looked back. Yes, it's expensive, around $2,500 street, but when you calculate it replaced 2 or 3 high-end 4K monitors, plus all the stands, arms, and headaches, it's actually not that crazy. You'll hear, it's too big, only if your desk is shallow. At 80 to 90 centimeters viewing distance, the curve is perfect. Blooming is bad on Mini LED. Not on this one. Samsung nailed the algorithm. Blooming is basically OLED level now. And yeah, you need a strong GPU, 4090 or 7900 XTX territory to max it out. But if you're already considering this monitor, you probably already have the hardware or are planning the upgrade anyway. The feature that shocked me most? Core sync lighting that actually syncs with the game and lights up the wall behind. It sounds gimmicky until your room pulses red during a night race in Assetto Corsa. Imagine finishing work or a race session and your neck doesn't hurt, your desk is clean, and you're still grinning because the visuals were that good. That's been my reality for months now. If you're tired of compromises and actually want the best single monitor experience available today, I've left a link to the Samsung 57 inches Odyssey Neo G9 below. Full disclosure, it helps the channel. Go check the current price and see if it makes sense for you. You might just retire every other screen you own.